This onboard system is specifically designed for air suspension but can also be used with any high-pressure air horn or power tool that requires an onboard air system. Comes with a 5-gallon steel air tank featuring 9 air ports, one 200 PSI heavy-duty black color air compressor with remote filter kit, pressure switch, water trap with coupling, drain valve, heavy-duty 40 Ampere relay with pre-wired plug, 40 Ampere inline fuse and mounting hardware. This system will set your vehicle above the rest.